Assalamu alaikum dears. This Toshiba washing machine. Customer has called me they cannot use it. So let's see what is the problem. So dears is problem 38L23L. It's blinking. So if it's problem this blinking, so it's problem PCB board. So I have one extra PCB board. So let's test it. Before we fix, we have to test is it working fine or not. So yeah, it's working. So it's problem the PCB board. So let me fix it back. So after I fix, finally I check. So it was problem only PCB board. So actually it's very easy to change. You can change it by yourself. See, it's water also flowing. Now alhamdulillah it's working fine. Customer they put already cloth, so it's really working fine. So it's washing. So if it is error code, so you can change the PCB board and you feel